everyone, welcome back to the Bata Shoe Museum YouTube channel. My name is Adrian and today we'll be making shoe art out of recycled materials that you could find around your house. We're going to be taking inspiration from one of our exhibitions called All About Shoes. We chose this one because looks can be deceiving, and over in France in the 19th century, this clog actually was used for the innocent task of shelling chestnuts. Chestnuts were an important source of food for people and animals, so this clog was an essential tool for food production. So we thought we'd give you that fun little fact before we get started. Let's grab our materials, which will be listed on the screen and in the description below, and let's get started. there you have it. We just made a chestnut crushing clog out of toilet paper rolls and a cereal box. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned to see what we'll be doing next. Bye!